module is Twinkl Orientation, and what follows is a set of short instructional videos in order for you to get the most out of your membership straight away. The first thing that we're going to cover is how to set your career type. Now this may sound a little bit strange because you might not think of yourself as having a career type, but it's important that you set your career type as Home Educator. This is so that you get the correct email into your inbox on a Sunday, and it also enables you to get the correct landing page when you sign into Twinkl. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is, once you've typed Twinkl into your Internet Explorer, is to sign in with the username and password that you used when you signed up to your membership. Then you can see in the top right hand corner there is a little globe. If you click on the right hand arrow, this will give you a drop down box, and this will show you the main career types, and here you need to click Home Educator. If you can't see Home Educator on this window, then you need to click below with Open Up More Career Types, and then this opens up all of the career types into a new tab. You should hopefully have Home Educator already highlighted, but if you don't, then what you can do is open up the changes at the bottom, and this will allow you to set your country, your county if you so wish, but you don't have to, add your name, but what you're really looking for is the tab that you can click down and highlight Home Educator before saving your preferences. Your first task is to go and check whether Home Educator is your correct career type, and I'll see you in the next video.